Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix microphone not working while screen recording. So if you are screen recording on Discord and now you are not getting the microphone access, and so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix that. First of all, what you have to do is to simply head towards your Play Store. Tap on the search bar icon at the bottom and head towards top of the screen. Tap on Discord. Simply make sure that you are using the up-to-date version of the app. If not, simply update the app. And after that, simply go back. Head towards the Discord app. Tap and hold it. You will get a pop-up. From the pop-up, head towards app info. Then you have to simply head towards permission, where you have to simply make sure that the permission of microphone has been enabled. Once you are done, after that you can simply record the microphone while using screen recording. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.